welcome back. Today we're going to finish the letter sounds. Remember we started last Saturday doing the sounds for the letters of the alphabet, the phonetics. So last Saturday we did from A to J, the link is here, and today we're going to finish the alphabet. This is important because it helps you pronounce words better. So if you like pronunciation and if you want to improve your pronunciation, this video is for you. If you're not interested in that, then you probably should close the window. So I will warn you that I have 2 cards missing, thanks to my son. I have no idea where he put them. So Q is not here and Y is not here. So I am going to do it without the cards and tell you a word that starts with Q and Y for you to understand what I mean. Are you ready? I'm so ready. Let's do this. So I'll tell you the letter, then I'll tell you the sound, and then I'll tell you the image, just like I did last Saturday, okay? K. Kite. L. Lemon. M. Moon. N. Nest. O. Octopus. I love it. P. Penguin. R. Rat. S. Socks. T. Tap. U. Umbrella. It comes from here. Remember we spoke about that? It comes from here. V. Vase. It's not vase, it's vase. W. Window. This is a bit of a strange one. X. X-ray. Z. Zebra. So the ones missing are Q, which is queen, and Y, which is yawn. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to click on like, comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Bye.